Hey, congratulations! We now have Jack Canfield as part of our Platinum membership program. He's coming specially to deliver a half a day workshop only for our Platinum members. It is now your golden opportunity to recover not only one time of your Platinum fees, but 10 times of your Platinum fees. Because if today you were to go for a VIP session with Jack Canfield, trust me, it takes more than 20 lakhs to arrange a program like this. So take advantage of this. This one program can recover your entire Platinum fees. Not just that, other than that, all the other bonuses that you're getting in Platinum, the lifetime support that you're getting with Platinum, lifetime conversations between me, Indu, and you, Q&A access, Platinum support, all of that, plus the Platinum courses that you're getting as part of Platinum membership program. Your health, relationships, career, and money goals will be achieved within 1 year. And that means what 10 years of struggle that you've been going through can be suppressed within 1 year. 10 years of success that you've been waiting for can happen within 1 year. And now Jack Canfield, kind of a mentor, is there to support us to achieve that 10 years of success in 1 year. Imagine a man who has achieved decades of success in just a few years in life. 500 million books he has sold. Can you even imagine the number 500 million? When we learn from mentors like this, is it not practical that we can also achieve 10 years of success in 1 year? We can, right? So take advantage. Join Platinum now. There's a very limited period of time left. On 24th of March, Jack is coming. But we will not be able to provide recordings of this session. That is why I'm saying attend this program before 24th of March. Join Platinum and take advantage of this so that your investment in Platinum is recovered on the same day that you've joined. By the way, do you want to know what Jack is going to cover on that day? What is the point me telling you? Let the master himself tell you. Here is what Jack is going to teach us on 24th of March. Listen to him now.
Well, one of the things I do is I teach a system. People often ask me, you got 67 principles of success in your book. Which one is the most important? And my answer back is always, if you could only keep one organ in your body, which one would it be?
Oh,
And the reality is, one organ, you could keep your lungs, but without the heart and the liver, you're not going to live, right? So
true.
it's a system. You have a system, an organic system. So I would say
Wow.
there's about 15, 10 or 15 principles that are core that you have to do. And you have to do them the right way at the right time in the right order. And most people, it's like a combination lock. If you know the numbers to a combination, it has to open. Doesn't matter if you went to college or not, if you live in India or not, you live in Indiana in the United States, it doesn't matter. IQ doesn't matter. Gender doesn't matter. I said 10 or 15 different principles. We'll get through as many as we can. They include things like getting clear about your purpose, turning that purpose into a vision, setting goals. Your goals should always be based on what your vision of what your life wants to look like. And then also we want to look at how do you set a goal correctly? I mentioned
Hmm.
earlier, most people set them too small and too far out in the future. They don't make them specific enough. We'll look at your beliefs. I think beliefs are important. You really stress that a lot. What you believe is what you get. So Napoleon Hill said, if you can conceive it and believe it, you can achieve it. I do an exercise in one of my seminars where I have people pretend they're millionaires for 5 minutes. We just going to mill around the room, pretend you're a multimillionaire or whatever it is. And then I stop them and the room's buzzing with energy. And I say, how do you feel right now? And they say, great. And I say, how many of you actually have $1 million reality? Not very many hands go up. How many of you acted like you did for 5 minutes? How did that feel? I felt amazing. Now, get this. You did not have $1 million, but you acted as if
Yes.
you did. And it totally changed your entire way of interacting with people, what you talked about, how you felt. We can choose to act as if. So that's a very important principle. We'll talk about that and how to do that. And then
Wow.
also, belief without action is just delusional. You have to take action. But also, there's what we call inspired actions. When you start visualizing and affirming, you're going to get ideas. You'll be in the shower like my $100,000 idea. Something inside says, go over here for coffee today instead of over there. You don't know why, but you do it. And that's where you meet your business partner for the future. So that we'll talk about that as well. The importance of asking. Most people don't ask enough. Now, when you're doing law of attraction, you're asking the universe, but you
Right.
also need to learn to ask what I call horizontally, ask other people. You asked me to be on this
Wow.
program. If you hadn't asked me, it wouldn't have happened. So nothing happens in the universe without somebody asking for something or
True.
somebody offering something. Most people are afraid to ask. Why are they afraid to ask? Because they're afraid of rejection.
Yes.
Fear of rejection. And I'll teach people about why it's stupid. It's dumb. If you don't ask, you've already rejected yourself, right? You've
True.
said no to yourself before you even gave anyone else a chance to, right? So,
True.
and if I ask you to have dinner with me tonight, you say no. I didn't have anyone to dinner with before I asked you. I have no one to eat dinner with after I asked you. My life did not get worse. I can go inside and say my mom was right. He knows I chew with my mouth open. He's never going to want to eat dinner with me. I'm going to die a lonely person. Then I can feel bad. But there's nothing in there except what I do to myself, right? So we'll look at the power of asking, and I'm going to teach you some questions. Like you'd like that question, or what I said in response of, thank you for your point of view. I'll teach you a couple questions you can ask that will blow your mind to make sure you get more yeses when you ask and how to ask. And we'll also
Wow.
look at the power of asking for feedback. And I'll teach you guys that as well. We'll talk about how do you keep yourself in action when you get rejection, when you get, obstacles. There's a wonderful book called What's in the Way is the Way. In other words, it's
Wow.
our ability to deal with the obstacles that helps us grow. If there were no obstacles, we'd never grow, we'd never get stronger, we'd never develop qualities like perseverance and courage and compassion and so forth. So we'll look at that, and I'll also approach this idea that it's never too late, and you're never too
Oh,
young. So I can tell a couple of inspiring stories about that, but you'll leave with a system of success that you can begin to apply the minute you get off the course.
mind blowing. I'm looking forward to that. This is amazing. Thank you so much. You got me excited. 24th of March. Remember, before that, click on the link below this video and join now.